we can determine the distance moved by the object from its velocity time graph. Let's see how. Consider the velocity time graph given here. It represents the motion of an object under the uniform acceleration. See this. The object is moving with uniform acceleration. Here, two conditions are possible. One, when object is moving with uniform velocity. And the other one is object moving with increasing velocity. Let's say object is moving with uniform velocity. And now, let's understand this graph. So, when object is moving with uniform velocity, let's say here it is 20 km per hour at every given time. Means the time is changing but the velocity is remaining same, that is 20 km per hour. We know that displacement is the product of velocity and time. So here this AB is velocity and BC is actually the time taken. So in this case, we can say that product of velocity and time is represented by AB into BC, and that is displacement. We know that in velocity, displacement is actually, we are talking about distance, the shortest distance. So we can say that distance is equal to AB into BC. Now, AB and BC are actually sides of ABCD. So, their product is giving us the area of ABCD. So, from this, we can say that distance is equal to area of ABCD. So, the distance travelled by the object would have been given by the area of ABCD under the graph. This was about the first condition. Now, let's consider the other option, that is, if the object is moving with constantly increasing velocity. In that case, the distance travelled by the object will be given by the area of A, B, C, D, E under the graph. So now look at this graph. The area of A, B, C, D, E. So this whole area, this will give you a distance. So in this case, the distance travelled is equal to this area, that is ABCD, plus this triangle area, that is ADE. We know that the area of ABCD is actually AB into BC, and area of triangle is nothing but half of base into height. Here the base is AD and height is DE. So from this we can say that the distance travelled in the second situation, where the object is moving at the constantly increasing velocity, the distance travelled would be area of ABCD plus area of triangle ADE. Area of ABCD, as shown, it is AB into BC, and area of triangle ADE is half of AD into DE. So, this is how we can find out the distance travelled by an object from velocity time graph.